Hi students, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain exercise 2.2 first problem. Find the product of the following 23.4 into 6. So in 23.4 the fourth place value is 10th. So what is the meaning of 10th? So 10th that is equals to 1 by 10. So remove the decimal number and write 234 by 10 into 6. So 234 into 6 multiply, you will get 1344 by 10. So in the denominator is having 10. So in 10 the number of zeros are only 1 0. So from the right side digit to move left side only one digit. So 1334 from the right side to move only one digit left side. So that is 134.4 is our final answer. Next problem, first Roman second one. 681.25 into 9. So 681.25, a 5 place value is 100th. So 100th meaning 1 by 100. So write 68125 by 100. Why? Because here the 5 place value is 100th into 9. So multiply 68125 into 9. So numerator into numerator multiply, you will get 61325 by 100. So in the denominator 100, the number of zeros are 2. So in the numerator 613125, from the right side to move 2 digits left side and place a decimal point. So final answer 6131.25. Next problem, first Roman third one, 53.29 into 14. So in 53.29, so last digit is 9. So what is the place value of 9? The 100th. So 100th meaning is 1 by 100. So write 5329 by 100. Why? Because of 9 place value is 100th. 100th 1 by 100 into 14. So multiply numerator into numerator. 5329 into 14 multiply, you will get 74606 divided by 100. So in the denominator the number of zeros are 2. So in the numerator from the right side digit is 6. So from the right side to move 2 digits left side and place before 2 digits. So that is 74.06 is our final answer. First Roman fourth one, 8 into 2.52. So in 2.52 last digit is 2. The place value of 2, it is also 100th. 100th meaning 1 by 100. So write removing decimal number 252 by 100. So multiply numerator into numerator, that is 8 into 252. You will get 2016. Denominator write as it is by 100. So in the denominator 100, the number of zeros are 2. So in the answer 2016, from the right side to move 2 digits left side and place a decimal point. So answer 20.16. Next problem, first Roman fifth one, 25 into 2.013. So in 2.013, the 3 place value is 1000th. 1000th means 1 by 1000. So by removing decimal number 2013 by 1000. Why? Because the place value of 3 is 1000th. So multiply numerator into numerator. 25 into 2013 multiply, you will get 503075. So denominator write 1000 as it is. So in denominator 1000, the number of zeros are 3. So in the answer, that is in the numerator 503075, from the right side digit to move 3 digits left side and keep decimal point. So final answer 503.075. Next problem, in exercise 2.2 second one, fill the blanks in the table. So multiplications in the left side, product in the right side. So first row already given, 36.21 into 10, that is equal to product 362.1. So next to second one, 23.104 multiply with 100. So observe the problem. 23.104 into 100. So in 100, how many zeros are present? 2 zeros are present. So from the decimal point moving 2 digits right side, that is 2310.4. So next one, 6.24 into dash, that is equal to 6240. In 6.24 the 6 place value is ones. In 6240 6 place value is thousands. Now 6 it becomes thousands, means we are multiply with 1000. Next one, dash into 1000, that is equal to 21.05. So consider the blank, that is x into 1000, that is equal to 21.05. Now find out the x value. 21.05 divided by 1000. So in the denominator 1000, 3 zeros are present. So from the decimal point move 3 digits left side. So why? Because the 1000 is in the denominator is present. So first to write 2105. From the decimal point moving 3 digits left side. So 1, 2, 3 digits not present means keep 0. 0.0. So final answer 0.02105. Next problem, 9.234 into 100. Now we are multiplying with 100, means how many zeros are present in 100? 2 zeros. From the decimal point to moving 2 digits right side. So that is 923.4. So next one, 1.3004 into dash, that is equal to product 1300.4. So in 1.3004 the place value of 1 is ones only. So once it is converted into thousands in the product. So that is we are multiply with 1000. So last one, dash into 10, that is equal to 59.001. So consider the blank is x into 10, that is equal to 59.001. So x equal to 59.001 divided by 10. So in the denominator 10 only 10 is present. So from the decimal point moving left side 1 digit. So that is the final answer 5.9001. So this is about second problem. Next, third Roman, find the product. So third Roman, first one, 5.1 into 8.1. So in 5.1 the place value of 1 is 10th. So the meaning 1 by 10. So removing decimal point and write 51 by 10 into. So in 8.1 the 1 place value is also 10th, that is 1 by 10. So by removing decimal number 81 by 10. So multiply numerator into numerator. So 51 into 81 multiply, you will get 4131. So 10 into 10 becomes 100. So in the denominator 100, number of zeros are 2. So in the answer, that is in the numerator 4131. From the right side to move 2 digits left side. So that is 41.31 is our answer. Next problem, third Roman, second one. 63. Next problem, third Roman, second one. 63.205 into 0.27. So in 63.205 the last digit is 5. The 5 place value is thousandth. Thousandth meaning 1 by 1000. So remove decimal point, write the number 63205 divided by 1000. Why? Because the place value of 5 is 1000 into, in 0.27 the last digit is 7. The 7 place value is hundredth. Hundredth meaning 1 by 100. So remove decimal number 27 by 100. So multiply numerator into numerator. 63205 into 27 multiply, you will get 1706535 divided by 1000 into 100 multiply, you will get 1 lakh. 100,000. So 1 lakh. So in the denominator, observe the how many number of zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of zeros are 5. So in the numerator 1706535, from the last digit to move 5 digits to the left side. Why? Because in the denominator is a 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So before 5 digits place point. So final answer 17.06535 answer. Next problem, third Roman, third one, 1.321 into 0.9. So in 1.321 the last digit is 1, the place value of 1 is 1000, 1000 meaning 1 by 1000. So remove decimal number 1321 by 1000 into, in 0.9 the 9 place value is 10th meaning 1 by 10, so 9 by 10. So multiply numerator into numerator, 1321 into 9 multiply, you will get 11889 divided by, multiply denominator into denominator, 1000 into 10, that is equal to 10,000. So in 10,000 the number of zeros are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. So in the numerator is 11889. So move 4 digits to the left side from the last digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So before 4 digits place a point. So final answer 1.1889. Next problem, third Roman, fourth one, 6.51 into 0.99. So in 6.51 the one place value is 100th meaning 1 by 100. So remove decimal number 651 by 100. Why? Because the one place value is 100th into, in 0.99 the last digit is 9, the place value of 9 is 100th only. So remove decimal number 99 by 100. So multiply numerator into numerator, 651 into 99 multiply, you will get 64449. So divided by 100 into 100 multiply, you will get 10,000. So observe in the denominator in 10,000 the number of zeros are 4. So in the numerator 64449. So from the right side number to move 4 digits to the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So before 4 digits place a point. So our final answer 6.4449. Next problem, third Roman, fifth one, 837.6 into 0.006. So in 837.6 the place value of 6 is 10th meaning 1 by 10. So remove decimal number, write the number 8376 divided by, the 6 place value is 10th meaning 1 by 10 into, in 0.006 last digit is 6, the place value of 6 is 1000th meaning 1 by 1000. So remove decimal number, write the number 6 by 1000. Multiply numerator into numerator, 8376 into 6 multiply, you will get 50256 divided by, multiply denominator into denominator, 10 into 1000 becomes 10,000. So observe the denominator in 10,000 the number of zeros are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. So first write the numerator 50256. So in the denominator the number of zeros are 4. So from the last digit to move 4 digits to left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and before 4 digits keep point. So our final answer 5.0256. Now I am going to explaining exercise 2.2 fourth problem. Ritesh reads a book for 2.5 hours every day. If he reads the entire book in a week, then how many hours altogether are required for him read to the book? So in the problem given, Ritesh reads a book every day, that is equal to 2.5 hours. Ritesh reads a book every day, that is equal to 2.5 hours. Next, Ritesh reads entire book. Ritesh reads entire book that is equal to 1 week. So for the 1 week, how many days? 7 days. Now in the question they are asking the total time for the need to read the entire book. The total time that is equal to, so 1 week that is equal to 7 days, 7 into 2.5. So multiply 7 into 2.5, that is equal to 15.5 hours. So final answer 15.5 hours. Fifth problem in exercise 2.2. Find the area of the rectangle whose length and breadth are 5.3 centimeters and 2.7 centimeters respectively. So in the question they are asking area of the rectangle. So first write down the length of a rectangle. So given the length of the rectangle, that is equal to 5.3 centimeters. Next, the breadth of a rectangle equals to 2.7 centimeters. Breadth of the rectangle equal to 2.7 centimeters. So in the problem they are asking area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle formula, length into breadth. So length given 5.3 centimeters. Multiply with 2.7 centimeters. Multiply 5.3 into 2.7, you will get 14.31. So multiply centimeter into centimeter, that is equal to centimeter square. So final answer 14.31 centimeter square. So this is area of a rectangle. Next problem, sixth one in exercise 2.2. If the cost of each cement bag is 326 rupees 50 paise, then find the cost of 24 bags of cement. So in the problem given cost of each cement bag. Cost of each cement bag equal to 326 rupees 50 paise. So next they are asking cost of 24 bags of cement. So cost of 24 bags of cement, that is equal to total bags into each bag cost. So total bags are 24 into each bag cost, that is equal to 326.5. So multiply, you will get 7,836 rupees. So the cost of 24 bags cement, that is equal to 7,836 rupees. Next problem in exercise 2.2 seventh one. Dharmika purchased chudidar material of 1.40 meters at the rate of 152.5 rupees per meter. Find the amount to be paid. So in the problem given Dharmika purchased material, that is equal to 1.4 meters. Dharmika purchased material, that is equal to 1.40 meters. Next, so the rate for 1 meter material equal to 152.5 rupees. So in the problem they are asking the amount to be paid for 1.4 meters. So the amount to be paid for 1.4 meters, that is equal to multiply 152.5 rupees into 1.40. So multiply, you will get 213.5 rupees. So the amount paid for 1.4 meters, that is equal to 213.5 rupees. Next problem, 8th one in exercise 2.2. If a picture chart costs 4 rupees 25 paise, Amruta wants to buy 16 charts to make an album. How much money does she has to pay? So in the problem given, cost of one chart. Cost of one chart, that is equal to 4 rupees 25 paise. So in the problem they are asking, Amruta paid money for 16 charts. Amruta paid money for 16 charts, that is equal to 16 charts, that is 16 into each one chart 4.25. So multiply 16 into 4.25, you will get 68 rupees. So finally the Amruta paid for 16 charts, that is 68 rupees only. Okay students, this is about 2.2 exercise. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.